Every year, 2nd of December is observed as National Pollution Control Day. इस दिन को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है to raise awareness about pollution and its harmful effects on health and the environment. It serves as a reminder of the Bhopal gas tragedy, one of India's worst industrial disasters which occurred on December 2 and 3, 1984. As we celebrate the National Pollution Control Day, let's take a look at how currently Mumbai is grappling with air pollution increase and what are the major factors contributing to it. Well, Mumbai, India's financial capital, एक शहर जिसे जाना जाता है for its iconic skyline, bustling streets and beautiful coastal views. However, the city is currently facing a serious deterioration in its air quality. पिछले कुछ सालों में pollution levels in Mumbai have been on the rise. As of late November 2024, Mumbai ranked 159th among the most polluted cities in the world. The city's air quality index reached 154, which falls into the poor category. The AQI in Mumbai is now 1.14 times higher than the average for Maharashtra, making a concerning decline in the air quality. Though this number fluctuates, it has remained consistently unhealthy for the city. But why is this happening? What's causing Mumbai's pollution to rise so rapidly? To understand it, हमें ये समझना होगा कि what's causing the pollution. Well, the main pollutants that affect Mumbai's air quality include particulate matter, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and ozone. ये pollutants हमारे हेल्थ के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा हार्मफुल हैं, लीडिंग टू इंक्रीज्ड हेल्थ रिस्क्स, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स जैसे कि बच्चे, बूढ़े और स्पेशली वो लोग जिन्हें रेस्पिरेटरी और हार्ट कंडीशंस हैं. वेल, मुंबई के कुछ एरियाज जैसे कि बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स, बांद्रा वेस्ट, कलीना, पवई एंड स्टाइन ईस्ट को मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड रीजन्स में आइडेंटिफाई किया गया है. Now let's take a look at the key factors behind the rise in pollution levels in Mumbai. One of the key contributors is the ongoing developmental work in the city. Projects such as construction of the metro system have led to an increase in dust pollution. These construction activities generate large amounts of particulate matter जो कि air quality को काफ़ी affect करता है, especially in the areas close to construction sites. दूसरा फैक्टर है waste management. Improper disposal of plastic, untreated sewage and the burning of garbage releases harmful chemicals into the air and water, further deteriorating environmental quality. Well, another major cause is the moisture in the atmosphere. Mumbai ka moisture traps dust and particulate matter. This moisture creates a kind of trap for dust particles, preventing them from dispersing into the atmosphere, जिस कारण से AQI खराब होता है. Well, अगला major cause है मुंबई का traffic issue. The large numbers of vehicles on the road emits a variety of pollutants, including nitrogen dioxide and particulate matter, which significantly contributes to the worsening air quality. And not to forget the climate change of Mumbai. Changes in the global climate have disrupted the city's natural air cleansing mechanisms, such as the winds from the sea that traditionally help to clear pollutants. As a result, dust particles and pollutants are now accumulating in the air rather than being dispersed, which worsens the city's overall air quality. Well, मुंबई में एयर पोल्यूशन का बढ़ना महज एक इन्वायरमेंटल इशू नहीं है, इट्स अ पब्लिक हेल्थ क्राइसिस. Poor air quality can cause a range of health problems including respiratory diseases like asthma and bronchitis, health conditions which can be aggravated by pollutants, eye irritation, headaches and fatigue, and increased mortality due to a long-term exposure to harmful pollutants. Well, now that we have understood the causes and consequences, let's talk about the solutions. How can Mumbai control its rising pollution levels? Well, one of the most effective solution is reducing vehicle emissions. इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स का इस्तेमाल, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम में इम्प्रूवमेंट और कारपूल का प्रमोट करना कैन सिग्निफिकेंटली कट डाउन ऑन द ट्रैफिक रिलेटेड पोल्यूशन. साथ ही अगर वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट पर भी काम किया जाए तो मुंबई में पोल्यूशन को काफी हद तक कम किया जा सकता है. सेग्रीगेटिंग वेस्ट, प्रमोटिंग रिसाइकलिंग एंड कंपोजिंग ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट कैन रिड्यूस द अमाउंट ऑफ गार्बेज इन लैंडफिल्स एंड प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम बीइंग बर्न्ड. Increasing green cover by planting more trees and creating parks can help absorb pollutants from the air and provide cleaner, fresher air for residents. Strict regulations लाने चाहिए to manage dust pollution at construction sites. Using water sprays, dust barriers and covering materials can minimize the amount of dust released into the air. साथ ही गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज एंड रेगुलेशंस को और भी ज्यादा सख्त करना चाहिए टू लिमिट इंडस्ट्रियल एमिशंस एंड इन्फोर्स स्ट्रिक्टर स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑन पोल्यूशन लेवल्स. Public awareness campaigns are also essential to educate people on reducing waste, using public transport and other eco-friendly practices. Well, मुंबई की pollution पर काम करना एक major challenge है, but with everyone's effort, government, businesses and citizens, India के financial capital को cleaner और healthier बनाया जा सकता है. Let's all work together now for a better pollution-free future.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.